and this is the main Anjang Road shopping street.
Let's go first.
You can cross here without green light. If you want to. This is the best place to get Korean cell phone service, SIM card, and a Korean phone. They speak English.
This is the place, best fair place in town. Must come here. They can speak English. This is the best affair in town, anywhere else. So whoever needs, require Korean phone number should stop by here. Yes. Alrighty, we are leaving now. Then now we're gonna like very nearby, walking distance, very close by. Where are we going?
We're going to the phone repair place.
Yeah, we gotta turn what? Kebab place, we gotta turn left.
You turn at Doner Kebab to get to the technician.
The truck blocking the view.
Yeah,
It's right on. Yeah.
truck 아저씨.
Okay, right here.
This is it. Here it is. It's next to this restaurant.
Name of the.
There's also a map posted near the crosswalk on the signpost. It's like a mini map.
Let's go in.
Hello.
유튜브 넣어도 되지요? 실어주려고.
아 진짜요?
어.
지금
Okay.
찍으시는 거예요?
He's the engineer. Gonna explain.
My phone screen was like completely broken and they fixed it in 40 minutes and offered to fix the home button. The other places said they would take a couple of days to fix it and they might have to send it to a different store, but this store they just do it here and it costs $90, which is cheap.
Yeah. Yeah, I once to fix the phone other place. It took me like couple of weeks. Some place like they needed to require or order parts. So it took some time, 2 weeks, 1 or 2 weeks. But this place, I was impressed that this person offered like only 40 minutes to fix. That was just so quick. Yeah, I love to recommend this place too. Whoever needed to repair a phone should stop by this place. Very right across the main gate, walking gate, like short distance. So now you guys are aware the location. So it's it will hopefully helpful for you guys.
아 감사합니다.
Say hello. Just to say hello.
지금 그건 아니죠?
Do you speak English?
Yes, yes I do.
Yeah, the owner speak English. Say sure.
Hello.
He's engineer. He speak English, so feel free to come here.